Hello everyone, this is Jesse from Survival Summit. I wanted to show you guys something cool. I was out shopping with my son the other day. We went to Harbor Freight and we found these. It's like a Pelican case, but this one is called the Apache 2800. Now, I wasn't sure about this. I looked up some of the YouTube videos of other people doing reviews to see how crush proof they are compared to the Pelican case. The Pelican case is easily double the money. So the differences from what I saw were the pins. They look stainless, but they're not. They're coated. So if they're just not the same quality as the Pelican case pins. They did some water resistance testing, and this case held up, from what I saw, just as good as the Pelican. It does have a manual valve here. The Pelican case is an automatic. The other difference is they ran it over with a truck. This one crushed pretty easily, and the Pelican case did not. The reason, some of the reinforcements are not quite as quality. But for everyday standard rugged use, I feel like this case is perfectly fine. Now the cool thing about this case, it comes with 2 layers of right around 2-inch thick foam, and you can put whatever you want in here. I decided to make a test kit where I did power, a little bit of communication, as well as a GPS unit. So what you do is you take out these little pieces of foam and you shape them to whatever you want to put in here. So I made a test kit, kind of a unique setup. My first item, Inmarsat satellite phone. I'm a fan of the Inmarsat. Iridium is a better phone, but the only difference in coverage is the top north and south poles. So the Inmarsat is much cheaper monthly plan. So to me, this is all I need. I don't plan on being in those areas at the North Pole with Santa Claus, so I should be okay. I have a monthly plan on this. It's fairly cheap, and I think through satellitephonestore.com, I believe if you sign up for a specific plan, you get the phone for free. We don't have any deals with any of the manufacturers of any of this stuff, so this is just me telling you what I like. Eventually, maybe we will make some deals with these companies. We also have the clip that goes in the back for the phone. In here, this is one of my favorites. This is the Garmin 64ST. You can do bird's eye view. It's also, the other thing about this kit, and you'll see the reason why, they're all USB chargeable. Because in here I carry 3, and I'm probably only going to carry 2 because one of my other devices I'm going to put in here is probably going to be a burner cell phone, and then I'll carry 2 of these. Oh, there's my dog you hear in the background chasing an animal. So this is a 2500 mAh power bank that recharges with solar. You can also plug it in to recharge it if you're home. And these are actually really slick. I picked these up on Amazon. I think they were $25 or $30. It's got the charging port, 2 USB ports. We lost power for about 5 days, about a month or 2 ago, here on the East Coast, and these were a lifesaver. I must have charged my cell phone and iPad 6 or 7 times, the cell phone. I think the iPad only charged a couple times. But I have 3 of these. Now, something else I have in here, which you might be wondering why. I have a USB drive. What's on this USB drive? I have over 1,500 military and survival handbooks in PDF form on this USB stick. Now, how am I going to play it? What am I going to use it for? Well, you get into the second layer. Just to give you a shot of the second layer, there's 2 more of the power banks, a couple cords. Now this is for my iPhone, which I'm recording with right now. It has a lightning port to USB. So I can charge my cell phone with the power banks and my satellite phone and my GPS unit, and I can plug this bad Larry into my cell phone, and I can read and look at any of the 1,500 survival manuals that I have on there. So that's why I put that in there. I thought it would be a cool addition. Now, when I do another one of these kits, I'm going to only have 2 power banks. I'm going to get rid of this one, and I'm probably going to put the burner phone, and I might even put a USB rechargeable flashlight. Nikkor is one of my favorite flashlights for that, so that might be what I put in the kit. So I'm going to put this stuff back, kind of give you guys an overview of the case, show you what it looks like all the way around. But this is the kind of stuff I do when I get bored, so I figured maybe I'd show it to you guys and see what you thought. I probably could have done a better job in taking out the foam around the units, but closes simply. You can lock it in 2 different spots. Of course, I put our sticker on there. There's the Apache 2800. I love it. They also have a smaller size and a bigger size, and they have a size that's made for a rifle. I think these are perfectly fine for anything I would be doing, and I don't see myself spending double and in some cases triple the money on a Pelican case. So there you have it. Hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, and we'll talk to you later.